Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Airtable, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you add a collaborator into your Airtable database? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a collaborator into your Airtable database anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you run an online business, you know that managing all your different data and projects can be overwhelming. So sometimes you want to go ahead and add an assistant or a collaborator in. Whatever the case is a pretty easy process. It's handled here in the Airtable app. It's this colorful one here on the top center. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to go ahead and open my Airtable now. Okay, once you do that, it's going to open up the home screen here on Airtable, showing all of the different databases that you have inside Airtable. Now to add a collaborator, first you want to go ahead and choose the correct base. I only have this one right here, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of the different records that you have inside of your Airtable database. Now, if you want to add a collaborator into this database, you need to click on the name of the base. This one's called My Art Collection, but I'm just going to click on it. Once you do that, you're going to see more information about that particular database in Airtable. But to add a collaborator or a user, look for this section here called Base Collaborators. You can see I'm the only one in this particular database. So I'm just going to click right here on this little arrow to the right. Okay, once you do that, you have actually two different ways you can add a collaborator into your Airbase. First is you can click on this line right here, add base collaborator. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and just start typing in their name. If you gave access to your contacts, it'll pull up their contact. If not, you want to go ahead and enter in their email. So let me go ahead and do that off screen. Okay, once you type in the email, it's going to pull up their email button right here, and you just want to click on the arrow next to their name or their email. Okay, next you're going to get to the add collaborator section. So you get to choose how much access you want to give them. You can do read only, you can let them comment, you can let them edit, and then you can add them as a creator, whichever one works for you. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and click on read only, and then you want to click on add. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that person is added as a collaborator to my database in Airtable. So they will receive an email notifying them of the invitation, and then they want to go ahead and just click on the button that's called accept invite. Let me jump on over to that email and show you what that looks like. Okay, so here is what the email is going to look like. They can just click on this, and then they would automatically be added as a collaborator into the Airtable database. Let me show you the second way that you can add a collaborator. Let me jump back over to Airtable. Okay, so here we are back on Airtable. The second way you can add someone is you can create a link. It's going to be a link invitation. So let me click on this line right here. Okay, so it's similar to the other page. So first you want to choose the permission level. So we'll click on read only. And then here on the email addresses, if you want them to be only specific URL emails, you click here and then you can add that in, or you can allow any email address. Once you've done that, click on create. Okay, same thing. It refreshes, and now you can see we have an invitation link to our Airtable right here. So we can go ahead and share this link on our Facebook groups, a text message, email, however you normally share your links. And that way anybody with an email, once they click on the link, it would be their invitation into the Airtable database. And in order to share this, you just click on this little share button here to the right. It looks like a square with an upward arrow. All right, once you do that, you can just click on copy, and then same thing, just paste it wherever you need to share your Airtable invitation link. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a collaborator into your Airtable database, that is the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.